so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the wrecking ball. Keep going. Perfect. Now we can fix it. Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Super duper! That's it! Put a patch on it. You're so smart. Magnificent. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Excellent. That's great! Only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. That's it! We have to look in the engine. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Perfect! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Keep going. Magnificent! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Excellent! That's it! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. You solved the problem. Something is dripping here. Looks like we need to cut these chains to open them. Jump with pliers. Excellent. Perfect. Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Super. I knew you could do it. All done! Now help to assemble Wrecking Ball. Keep up the great work! You can upgrade the vehicle. It's time to take the car to the construction site.